is Toy Wife Productions, and we are doing some fun toy unboxings today. Today, we are doing the Nerf Super Soakers. We have 4 Super Soakers. Let me show you them. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you guys enjoy the content. I don't have the best editing software, so you might not enjoy it, but please just subscribe still. Okay, so we have the Scatter Blast. We have the H2O Squirtle Surge. Pump Action, I think that's kind of cool. We have the Microburst 2, and I think we have another Microburst 2. So we're going to do the small ones first and work our way up to the big ones. So first, I guess we have the Microburst, so let's get in it. This is what the Nerf Super Soaker looks like. Alright, got that cut. Alright, there's something back here. There we go. Oh, one last thing to get. Then we'll be able to show you. I got it. Okay. So this is the other piece. I think that's kind of cool. This is where. So this is what it looks like. It's pump. Right here, I think, is where you fill it up. Here, let's try to open that. There we go. So that's where you fill it up. So that's a cool one. I like this one. I wish these had triggers, though. That'd be a bit nice. So there's that one. Let's get the second one open really quick. Okay, there. That's the second one. Okay, so that's 2. I'm kidding. So, that's both of these. I like those. Okay, so this is the School Surge H2O. I like this one. It's kind of cool. This one, it's time to cut it open. Where's the last one at? What? Oh, that was hidden. Alrighty. Here's this one. Ooh, this one has a trigger. Pump Action. I like the colors they use on this one. Right here, I think this is where we open it. Yeah, that's where we fill it up. And you just kind of shut it. I know, weird at all. Oh, so if you pump it up a bunch, it starts getting harder to pump. And then, tell me if you can hear this. And it squirts like that. That's how I'd use this one. So that's 3 of our Nerf guns, Nerf Super Soakers. Let's put them off to the side. Now the last Nerf gun, boom, Scatter Blast. This is probably the one I'm going to use a lot because it's really cool looking. I only had to cut 2 things. Another Pump Action. Fill it up back here. Has sights. Ooh, that's actually kind of cool. Has sights. Push them down if you don't want them. So that's the Scatter Blast. Let's take a nice look at it. Oh, what's down here? Never look down the barrel of your gun. I can feel the air coming out for when I should squirt them. Okay, so let's take a look at all the Nerf guns again. We have this one. We have these two. And this really cool one that has pump action. Sounds like a Coke when you open it. There we go. So those are the new Nerf Super Soakers that we have. Stay tuned if you want to see the war, if we make one of those on video. This is Toy Wave Productions here. Signing out. Peace. And stay tuned for the next video where we do some more Nerf stuff, but we're going to be doing some darts. I'm going to be showing you guys probably the Retaliator. I spray painted mine, so you might not recognize it that much. I'm looking at my eyes, so now I'm looking at your soul.